Hi guys, so today I'm gonna make a rope ladder for my kids' playground. I made a playground, I'm gonna show it to you later, and I'm still in the process of, it's not finished yet, but they asked me for a rope ladder, so I'm gonna make them a rope ladder. I know you can buy it on the eBay, and they're not that expensive, but I figured I'll make one. So what I'm gonna need is some bolts like this with the loop to connect it to the swing set, some couple washers and nuts. Gonna need two quick links, and I'm gonna do that to connect it to those bolts right there, and a rope. I got this diamond braid polyester rope. It holds 230 pounds. It's definitely going to hold the kid. It's going to hold me too. So I got this two dowels too. They are 1.25 inches by 48 inches long. So I'm going to cut them by 16 inches. So it's going to be 6 steps in that ladder. So yeah, let me cut them, and then I'm gonna drill. Let me go start cutting them. So 16-inch gonna be one cut. And back, 16 one cut, 32 the next one. Two cuts. I'm gonna cut them separate. So 3 steps, and 4, 6 steps. Now I have to drill. I'm gonna pre-drill it first with a skinnier one, with a smaller drill. Now I'm gonna take the drill bit that is the closer one to the rope. But I gotta make sure that the rope gonna go through. This is pretty close. If something will go bigger, I don't want to go too big right now. Alright, so after you drill them out, you're going to start assembling it. So I'm going to get the rope. The height of the swing set is 8 feet. So I'm gonna go a little more just to make sure and measure out. I'll go 10 feet and then I'll just cut the excess. I'll go 21. Like I said, it don't really matter. I'm gonna get rid of the excess later. So now once I cut it, I'm gonna burn the end to make sure it's not. Just to make sure it's not gonna go haywire on me. What you can do is, I'm not doing it, but if you want, you can wrap electrical tape around it, and then it's gonna be a nicer edge. So I got my rope. Now I'm gonna start pulling it through. This ain't going good. I gotta redo this end right here. Alright, that should be better. Yep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the first step, I'm not going to tie a nut under it, I'm just going to pull the rope through both sides. And make it even. Alright. Make the rope even. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a knot on each side, and I'm going to try to make it about 1.5 feet on between the steps. Or I can probably do 1 foot. Yeah, I'll probably go with 1 foot. It'll be 6, 8. Yeah, I'll go with 1 foot. That's about 1 foot on this side, and same thing. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Sorry you can't see what I'm doing, but
Go the other way a little bit.
Alright. So that would be about it. Right there. Yep, about 1 foot. and the next one gonna go on. Go all the way to that nut. Go one on this side. Go all the way to the nut. It helps if you twist it a little bit when you go through. And I'm gonna just keep doing it like that, and I'll show you at the end. I'll show you the end result. Okay, so that's the swing set right here that I'll build. I still have to put a roof on there and close that off on the other side, and this one. But here's the ladder, already built, already put together. Just secure that there with a square knot, and I'm gonna have to cut the ends off, but it's getting dark, so I mean not dark, but it's getting late. I'm probably gonna do it tomorrow or something. But it's pretty strong. It holds me. So there it is. Yeah, I got the sandbox underneath. It's an 8x8 sandbox. So yeah, leave me comments and tell me what you think about it, and subscribe for more videos, and you have a good one.